Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this exterior over here for this London street over here. So let's get started. So now what I'll be doing over here is like we can slightly rotate this if required. Slightly we can just rotate it a bit, not much. Same here, I'll again select this, I'll slightly rotate it. So again go over here, let's convert to editable poly. Let's go into this, let's put one loop over here. Before that, I'll select this vertices, I'll slightly shuffle this up till here. I'll select this again. Till here. And let's put one swift loop over here. Put one loop over here. So select this polygons and I'll slightly extrude this a bit out, not much. After that, we need to work with the camera angles also over here. I'll just go over here. Few things which are just left out over here. After that, I'll again go over here and take a cylinder. I'll activate this auto grid over here. I'll slightly just push this up. I'll go into this and I'll give an FFD cylinder modifier over here. So let's assign an FFD cylinder modifier, select this and slightly just scale this in this way. So convert to editable poly again. So select the polygons, slightly I'll give a bit of inset and extrude it a bit inside. And now for this, so how we can generate some foliages over here. So you can use a plugin, that's your Forest Pack Lite or Pro. With the help of that also you can generate. So I'll just go over here, I'll just create something like this. I'll go into this rendering, enable in viewport, and I'll slightly reduce its thickness and I'll put it over here. You can increase it a bit. Again I'll make a copy of it. Select the vertices. You can change the directions also if required. And slightly increase the height. And if you look at it over here, it's going to be in some kind of a slopey. So we can create a bit of a slope if required. I can slightly just push it down to the slope. And with this also, I can select this. I'll shuffle this down. Select this vertices, adjust it a bit down. So now we need to adjust everything over here in the same way. Push it down. So select the vertices, shuffle it down. To see in the slope, Now again I'll go over here, I'll make one or two copies more over here. I'll just select this and I'll mirror it in x-axis in this way. Save the file again. So we still have some kind of lights over here. For that I'll take a sphere over here. I'll activate the auto grid. Let's just activate the auto grid over here and create a sphere. I'll go into this. So convert to editable poly. So I'll make this as half over here for now. Select the border. I'll just cap it over here in this way. And after that, I'll again go into the front view. I'll go into this line. I'll take one line over here in this way, or else you can show something like this. I'll just delete it first. I'll again go to the top view over here. Alright, so slightly just push this up over here and increase its thickness over here for this. Again I'll go over here. I'll take a pipe over here, or you can say a tube over here. So let's just model a tube. So let's just model a tube over here. So very important is I'll slightly reduce its radius. So we need to reduce its radius 1 and 2 over here. So let's reduce it more. Can slightly increase it. And increase its height. So before that, I'll just convert to editable poly again. I'll slightly reduce its height. Push it down. So again I'll go into this. Slightly I'll rotate it. And I'll again take one line, just starting from here, off this auto grid, and I'll push it in. So this should be very, very thin, thinner than that, because it is a wire which is going to get connected over here. It's inside, so I need to show it inside. So I'll just push it better. So we can slightly increase it. And this is very thin. Alright, so just save your file again over here. So I'm just checking out some minute details if required. We'll be just creating that. So definitely over here for this we can add some foliages. I don't have a plugin over here right now for your forest pack, or we could have added it. Also we can add some alpha maps if required. So that is also possible over here. I'll again go into this view. I'll again take a line over here. I'll slightly just push it from here. Delete this and increase its thickness. Alright. We need to set up a proper camera angle also over here. So I'll just go into this render setup. I'll make it as HD. So press Shift F, that's a show save frames. So how we are going to use this over here is like, we'll try to set up the camera in such a way we can slightly tilt this in this way. Okay, I think this looks much better. I'll press Shift and down arrow to push the camera a bit or the view a bit down. So once you have just set it, I'm just using the arrows to set it over here. You can press Ctrl C to place up a camera from that particular view over here. Alright. So I'll just save the file. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll be starting up with the texturing part for this particular project over here in the coming tutorial. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.